With going, this is a Sage Intacct versus QuickBooks, and which is the best ERP and CRM for your business. Now, if we look at both of their uh, you know, things or what they have to offer. You can see in Sage Intacct, you get all those planning, like you have automation, you have inventory planner, you have Intacct planning, you have fixed assets, and you can see everything that they have to offer, like as you can see through cloud and then marketplace and all those features. And if you look at QuickBooks, it's mostly just for financial or accounting purposes, like you get to track your income, you get to send invoices, connect banks, track your VAT, insight and reports, multi-currency, data sync with Excel. So in short, if you're looking for a CRM or an ERP, in that case, Sage Intacct is the way to go. Okay. But if you're looking for something that is more financial and just deals with finances, in that case, obviously, QuickBooks is your way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.